This mouse is the Logitech G305 or Logitech G305 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse. This mouse comes with, boom, can you see it? Can you see it? It's like a Lightspeed high performance wireless mouse. It has a hero sensor, delivers amazing tracking performance with up to 12,000 dpi and up to 10x power efficiency. It says that it could go up to 250 hours of gaming with a single like AA battery, but we're gonna test that out. It's portable, durable, comfortable, so they say. I'm not sure about it because I haven't really played with one before. So yeah, let's get into the box opening. Where's the knife at? Okay, here we go. Boom. What it comes with. Oh man. A sticker. Something at the bottom, man. Oh. That's everything. I got a AA battery, just like the controller. I got a booklet, which tells you how to connect it, I guess. And I got the charging port, or like maybe an extender for the USB or for the wireless function. I think this is an extender. I'm not sure. Yeah. So it's like this goes into the computer and this bit goes into the USB. Another booklet, yeah. Let's see how this looks. Okay, that looks clean. And it's super light actually. Whoa, I don't feel like I have anything in my hands. I feel like I could break it actually. Where's the USB at? Whoa, it's so light. Where's the USB? Wait, what? And where does the AA battery go? Here. Oh yeah, I got it. Okay, so the battery goes here. Just like that. Ah, I see it. This is the, if I can get it. Come on. It's so light that I feel like I could break it if I'm too rough with it. Okay, I got it. Bang. USB. Okay, so just like that. Boom. Get that away from here. So this is what comes in the box. My initial finding so far is that it's super light, and whoa, it's so small. Actually, too small for my hands, is it? But I'm gonna give it a go, and we might do a review on this in the coming weeks, coming months, maybe. Depends on my schedule. But yeah, here we go. The wireless So yeah, here we go. This is the Logitech G305 or 305 Lightspeed gaming wireless gaming mouse. Alright. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more unboxing videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.